Mr. Jason Young, sir.
Intramuros Administration, Administrator Attorney Joan M. Padilla, and the rest of the Executive Committee of IA. Our Executive Vice President of the Philippine Travel Agencies Association, Ms. Evelyn Bondaji, Miss Universe Philippines 2025 First Runner-Up, and Reina Hispano America 2017, Miss Winwin Marquez, BPI Head of Merchant Partnership and Usage, Ms. Elaine Suico, to our DOT accredited tour guides and members of the media. Good day to our partners, media, and friends in tourism. Let me begin with the words of Nick Joaquin. Intramuros is not in ruins. It lives in every Filipino who remembers who we are. Here in Intramuros, we are reminded that history is not just seen, it is felt. And in feeling it, we understand what it truly means to be Filipino. Today, we may be facing challenges, but like Intramuros, we remain strong and resilient. That is why this year's Santa Cruzan is more than a celebration. It's a celebration with purpose. It is not just about the beautiful sagalas and gowns. It is about our culture, our faith, and our history, and the people who keep these traditions alive. Through this initiative, Philippine Travel Agencies Association, together with Intramuros Administration, the Department of Tourism, and BPI, commits to support our tour guides, vendors, and artisans. From the singkaban makers of Bulacan to our tour guides who will welcome visitors on May 22, to our vendors whom we empower by giving them space and full earnings. This is how we turn tradition into livelihood and opportunity. Because in both good times and difficult times, partnership matters. And with our Reina Elena this year, Winwin Marquez, truly, it's a win-win for all of us. As we move forward, let this be our reminder. We are united not just in celebration, but in purpose. And we move together with purpose. And when we move together with purpose, we move further together. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang PTA, mabuhay ang Intramuros.
Thank you so much. That's our PTA President, Mr. Jason Young. That was a very wonderful welcome remark, sir. Of course, we are so excited for this. This is our second year here at PTAA, no, for our Grand Santa Cruzan. And if I may just delight you, Santa Cruzan is one of the most beautiful and meaningful traditions here in the Philippines. You will all agree with me, I know. Okay, it's a very religious and cultural procession, no? Held every May. Ang tawag po natin dito, Flores de Mayo, diba? And of course, it showcases Filipino elegance, fashion, and heritage. And to get to know more about what's going to happen, okay? Oh, by the way, I would like to acknowledge all our friends from the press, okay, and our guests as well. So I want you all to refer your attention to the screen as we all watch this.
Joining your Grand Santa Cruzan this coming May 22 in the historic Intramuros. This is Winnie Marquez, proud to be your PTAA Reina Elena 2026. See you!
That deserves a warm round of applause, everyone. Okay, now that we all know we had a glimpse of what's going to be happening, of course, we want to hear it from our great partner. A message from Intramuros administration. Let's call in and give a warm round of applause for our Intramuros administrator, Attorney Joanne Padilla.
Mr. Jason Young, President of the Philippine Travel Agencies Association, to the rest of the officers and members of the PTAA, Miss Universe Philippines 2025 First Runner-Up and Reina Hispano-Americana 2017, Miss Winwin Marquez, Miss Elaine Suico, Head of Merchant Partnership and Usage Bank of the Philippine Islands, to our beloved DOT accredited tour guides, friends from the media, to the Intramuros Administration family and Executive Committee, our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the historic walled city of Manila. As we gather today in Intramuros to renew a meaningful and continually evolving partnership, we also celebrate a long-standing Filipino tradition, one that brings together culture, art, prayer, and tourism through the Intramuros Grand Santa Cruzan 2026. This year is especially meaningful as we mark the second staging of the Intramuros Grand Santa Cruzan in collaboration with the Philippine Travel Agencies Association. Building on the success of last year's celebration, this continued partnership reflects our shared commitment to elevating cultural tourism experiences within the walled city. More than just a single event, this represents an ongoing effort between Intramuros Administration and PTAA to develop and promote tourism-driven initiatives, not only within the walled city, but across broader Philippine tourism landscape, anchored on shared Filipino identity and heritage. Through initiatives like the Grand Santa Cruzan and other collaborative activities, we aim to create opportunities that benefit not just our respective institutions, but the entire tourism industry in the Philippines, from travel agencies to cultural workers to local businesses, and most importantly, to our communities. This year, we are especially honored to have Miss Winwin Marquez portraying as Reina Elena, bringing elegance, grace, and international distinction to this cherished tradition. We also extend our sincere gratitude for this partnership, the Bank of the Philippine Islands, and of course, our partner, the Philippine Travel Agencies Association, for their invaluable support in making this event possible. Through this collaboration, we envision that the Intramuros Grand Santa Cruzan 2026 will not only be the cultural highlight this May 2022, but a defining tourism experience, one that strengthens our identity, supports our local community, and showcases the beauty of Filipino heritage to the world. As we officially launch this year's celebration, we invite everyone to take part, to witness, to share this meaningful tradition. Together, let us continue to preserve our heritage, celebrate our faith, and tell the story of Intramuros to the world. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang PTAA, mabuhay ang Intramuros, at lalo pong mabuhay ang bansang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.